This is Carolina Santos Reed. She's from the United States, but she has a lot of family in Brazil. In 3 weeks, Carolina and her husband are going to go there on vacation. At the moment, she's planning the trip, but it's difficult. She's going to stay in Brazil for 4 weeks, so she's going to need a lot of things.
I have a suitcase, a passport, some bathing suits, some sunscreen, some clothes, too many shoes, and there's plenty of other things I want to bring.
Carolina isn't going to take all of these things. Her husband, Kurt, is going to need some space too. Carolina and Kurt also went to Brazil 2 years ago. They went to the beach and they ate at a very famous restaurant. Carolina loves seafood, so Kurt bought her some fish. But they didn't visit Carolina's family. This time, they are going to go to the family farmhouse in the Brazilian countryside to spend time with them. But they aren't going to stay at the farmhouse all the time. They're going to do lots of other things. Kurt loves soccer. Carolina's cousin Eduardo bought him a ticket to a soccer match. Carolina isn't going to go. She doesn't like soccer. She's going to go paragliding instead. And they're both going to go camping with the rest of the family. Kurt and Carolina are really looking forward to their trip. They're going to have a great time.